So today I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. Is that what it's called?
Mukbang. Mukbang with some spicy noodles.
Challenge and like some snacks and some lemonades. And this is Destiny. We're gonna be putting her channel down below, so make sure you subscribe and like her videos. She has a lot of good videos, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And don't forget to, further ado, before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications because I'll beat you up if you don't. So, and let's get into the video. Okay, guys, we got the noodles. I'll show you them. Okay.
Y'all.
I'm nervous.
Like,
it stinks.
look at that, bro.
Yeah.
But welcome back.
I'm scared.
Oh, this is.
Oh my god.
You got the bottom though, so you got like all the sauce.
I'm scared.
I hope this don't get on my pants.
I hope it's not nasty because I'm hungry.
Pablo ate all of his last
Okay.
time. Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Roll down, roll down.
Ready?
Okay, ready?
Set, go.
Oh, we forgot to make a thumbnail. Oh, I can taste the hot already. Bro.
Wow. Not that hot at first.
At first it ain't.
I could taste it. Ooh.
Okay, guys, it's.
My lip
My,
burn.
my mocos are gonna be running. Ooh, I didn't swap. I can't breathe. They're good, but it's hot.
My eyes are getting teary.
I shouldn't have worn makeup. My tongue is like salivering.
Dad.
That don't even make sense. Okay.
We got this.
Let's see whoever can eat the most.
It's gonna be me.
Ooh.
Booty gonna be burning. Booty gonna be burning. Dang. My eyes are ready.
Bro.
You got some milk?
Yeah, I don't think it's that hot, but it's hot.
It's hot. I can't. Dad. I'm trying to like swallow my spit.
Ooh.
Every time I talk, I go.
The top of my mouth is hurting. I fell in my tongue. Damn, bitch. Hairball. My lip.
I can't. Wait.
Oh, hopefully I don't get a headache.
Don't be a wussy.
Ooh.
It's not as bad when you keep eating them, but when you just wait.
Yeah. We should have let them cool down while they're hot. Like,
Okay.
you fun to lose?
Yeah. My nose is running.
I can't do it either. Can I do one more scoop, y'all? Last one's for you.
They're kind of good though.
They're good.
You're hot.
It's hot. I got rudely interrupted. My eyes don't like.
I can't think. It's hot.
Okay, it's cooling down.
My nose running.
Like
Freshmen Rock did this and he ate all of them.
Yeah, I know. Shout out to you. Ugh. Bro, like, you can't even actually taste the lemonade. Like, you can taste it a little bit, but you can't really taste it.
My lips are burning.
My lips gonna be fat by then.
We got other...
What?
Can't do that.
Okay, this is kind of like a mukbang, too. But,
okay, we got these other things to try, but I don't know if we're gonna taste it right now because it's so hot.
okay, so we got, I don't even know how to say the name. Okay, actually, I didn't even get the fourth one because we got 2 of the salted caramel instead by accident.
We did?
So, no, but I put it back because I was like, fudge.
Oh.
So, we're gonna be trying the,
Which one you want to try first?
Lind
Break
it.
them in half. Oh, wait, they got pieces.
Yeah, that's what I said. We might as well just get one bar. You want to try the strawberry cheesecake one?
Yeah. I
Okay,
okay,
so
my
we got...
nose.
I'm gonna be zooming into something.
Slobbing.
We got the Linden, I think it's called. I don't know how to say it. They're just the new bars. We got them at Target finally. We have the strawberry cheesecake one. This is just how the packaging looks. We have a chocolate sundae. And the salted caramel. I'm kind of scared to try the salted caramel right away because the salt, I feel like it's going to mess it up even more. I'm going to go take a shit. You want to try the... I'm going to go take a shit. You want to try the strawberry cheesecake?
Yeah.
You open it.
Okay.
So what do you want to talk about?
We're going to talk about... Stuck in my teeth.
I want my mouth with that.
We can talk about... My girlfriend came home from the army. She came home yesterday. So, yeah, we drove to Chicago. Me, her, my mother-in-law, and Alexis. Yeah, Alexis, yeah. Alexis is my girlfriend's best friend. If y'all want me and Kaylee to do a video, spam my comments because she won't do a video with me.
Yeah, y'all, go to her page and go spam everything so that Kaylee will do it. Because Kaylee don't want to do it.
Yeah, she don't want to do it. So if y'all spam her, she will do it.
Yes, actually, we're going to put her stuff in the bio.
So I'm going to put her Facebook, her Instagram, all of that. So y'all can spam her Snapchat.
I don't even know if I have her on Instagram, bro.
She has this Instagram.
I think I do. I just haven't, since I haven't
she
seen
don't
her like
post
my
anything
stuff.
yet.
It's like, lately.
So y'all better spam everything she has because everybody was like, yeah, y'all should do stuff. We can't do it if
because
she don't respond.
Yeah, me and Pablo did one, and I was like, you guys should do one.
Yeah,
originally, they were going to, but she didn't want to.
I told Kaylee I'm going to prank her, though, so she ain't going to have no choice but to be in it. She would leave me.
But, how do you think your channel was doing?
I think it's doing good.
Since we started.
I would say my channels grew.
I feel like
Alexia even told me she watches my videos.
We started around the same time. She started like 2 weeks before me though because I slacked. And
I kept telling Destiny, I was like, do it, girl, do it.
She made me do it in class actually.
Yeah.
She made me do it. So
I was helping her do her intros, outros, everything.
Yeah. It was fun starting because I was just so excited. Like it was like really fun. But I feel like with every video that I've posted, I've like grown more and more. Like, and it's so fun though. Like even though we're not like how do you say it? Like out there.
Yeah, like a famous YouTuber.
But I feel like it's just so fun to know that people actually find interest in our videos. So
yeah, I swear, like all people, my supporters, like the people that support me, they'll send me Snapchats and stuff.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I love your videos and stuff, and that makes me so happy. Like, y'all do not understand. Like, even if it's just like one person, it really makes me happy. Like, it's a girl named Monica. Shout out to her. She watches all my videos. And Elaine, is that her name?
Elaine or Elaine, something like that.
Elaine or Elaine. She always be the first person to like all my videos. She'd be like, first one to like, and she'll send me screenshots and all that. And then Monica, like, she'll make sure she messages me and be like, please post a video. Like, she'll give me ideas. And then shout out to Davian. I think that's how you say your name. He's going to my college with me, and he always gives me video ideas. Like, he'll send like 10 of them when I ask for one. Like, he's really cool.
Yeah.
So shout out to them.
I don't really got no one to shout out. No, I'm just playing. No, shout out to all the people that subscribe. Like, all the people I went to school with. Thank you so much for being supporters. Like, I didn't actually expect it. I felt like a lot of people were going to be like, oh, she's just trying to, you know, do this because everybody else is doing it. But that's not the reason why I wanted to. I've been wanting to start YouTube since I was in middle school.
I'm starting this YouTube series when I start going to Beloit. My first one is going to start with, like, Beloit 101 or Beloit College 101, one of them.
That's going to be so helpful.
Yeah, and because when I was going to Beloit College, it's a really good college. And when I was trying to look for things, you know how, like, when you look up on YouTube, like, what do they do at this school, nothing was up for Beloit College. At least nothing from, like, kids like us, like, telling them, like, oh, this was, it was, like, videos that, like, the college made. Like, it wasn't nothing. So I think that would be cool.
Like, I'm happy that since we started YouTube, we haven't got jealous. Like, jealous of each other. Because, like,
that either. We always support each other.
A lot of people thought, I feel like a lot of people did think that was going to happen, but that could never happen because whoever grows first, they grow first.
Right.
And we're still going to be friends. It don't matter.
Right.
Like,
and we promote each other for every video we post. Like, everyone.
Yeah, pretty much. I don't know.
These are good. No, but
I'm so happy, like, where we're going with this. Like, I'm excited.
So happy.
The only thing is if you're gonna try, what's it called? The only thing is if you're gonna start a YouTube channel, don't rush into things like I did. I tried to, like, rush, like, see, like, with my vanity, I got this right away. Like, I felt like I rushed everything. I've noticed that in myself. Like, when I first started, I was like, oh, I need to get a new phone, a new camera. Like, you know, I needed to get everything new. And I bought a camera, actually, but I had to return it because it wasn't even good. Like, I was like, so disappointed. But that's what I get for trying to rush everything. Like, especially with my MacBook. But that's getting fixed.
But, like, yeah, don't rush everything because you don't know if you're going to stay consistent.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't know if you're gonna
obviously we still want to do it, but like you don't know if you're gonna, don't go out here and be like, I want to start YouTube, got a camera, the big old ring light.
Yeah,
like,
don't
like,
I
don't
would
do
wait
it.
until you actually know you're secure and you're gonna be able to live this and do this.
Yeah, wait a couple videos too, because like and you have to be consistent with your YouTube videos. You can't be posting 1 month and then the next month and then be like, why am my channel growing? Because it's not gonna grow unless
now the thing is also like with the whole rushing thing, I literally tried rushing everything in a month. Like this past month, July.
Cause you feel like when you're
feel like
young,
you need to.
Yeah, and you feel like your videos aren't good as enough as the other YouTubers, but you gotta think like you're new. Like everything ain't about to be perfect.
All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching our
video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe. Turn those
post notifications on, nigga. No.
I didn't say it. Anyways.
No,
but we'll have more videos together for sure.
Yeah,
for sure.
Yeah, we definitely are.
Like, when she moves to Beloit, I'm still crack in
I'm gonna come get her and stuff. Cause
your girl can't drive yet. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Bye, sis.